When New Year comes, I always make my own bucket list. And this year, I have 2 wishes. First of all, I want to get a cat. Actually, my favorite animal is a cat. Cats are cute, so I can relax. Also, cat can be my new friend and my new family. So, I don't need to be lonely. However, I don't want a dog because I should take a walk with my dog. I think taking a walk will be tired. In addition, I would like to get a new iPad. Until now, students should do homework by PC or tablet, so I'm doing it by computer. However, it is uncomfortable, but I think iPad will be more comfortable. Also, I love drawing, and drawing at iPad will be great than drawing at paper. In conclusion, my wish in 2024 is getting a cat and new iPad. If you like my videos, please click the like button. Thank you for listening to my presentation.